What's up, everybody? We're going fishing again today. Super excited. It has been a long time since I've got to go out and do some fishing, so we're definitely looking forward to it today. Today we're going to a spot. It's a little bit of a drive away. It takes about 40-ish minutes to get there. And I say ish pretty lightly because I don't really know how long it takes to get there. But it is a spot that I know we're gonna catch some fish. Every time I go out there with my best friend, we catch a good many fish. So we're gonna get some fish today for you guys. I got, you know, everything I need and then some. So we have plenty of options, no excuses. Conditions are perfect. I mean, it is a beautiful 70-degree day here in Pennsylvania. Might even keep one. If we catch a decent eater, I might keep it, do a catch and cook video. Maybe. We'll see what happens. But stay tuned, because you guys are in for a treat today. It's going to be an awesome day of fishing. I even brought my fly rod with me, so we're going to try that out as well as the wax worms, tried and true. You got to have them. So do a little bit of learning today and do a lot of bit of fishing. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we made it to the spot. Like I said, it's about a 40-minute drive, roughly. But we're here now, so we're gonna get our gear on and we're gonna get in the water. Looking at it coming in here, looked pretty good, so I'm pretty optimistic. Look back, beautiful scenery out here. So that's probably one of my favorite things about this place. This is just so beautiful. But let's get our gear on and let's hit the water. One thing I learned from the last video that I did, it was a long video, which, I mean, I kind of want to keep them right around that 30-minute mark, because I mean, I don't like a short video myself, because like you get engaged and then it's over. But one thing I learned that I was doing wrong is I just kept the camera rolling the entire time. Made editing not fun. So this time around, I will not be doing that. So I catch one, I'm gonna quit recording, and then when I catch another one, start recording. You get the gist. Hope you guys could see that fish all right, because it was an absolute beauty of a rainbow. Biggest one I've caught so far this year, actually, so super pumped about that. That good fish scent all over your hands. Sign of a successful day. Sometimes the only proof you have to take home that you caught anything is because you reek of fish. I enjoy it. I don't think my wife enjoys it. That's a her problem. There's another one. Swimming right at me. A little bit smaller than the first, but a fish nonetheless. Get you in the net. In the net. Let's go. Alright, so here's the second fishy. A little bit smaller than the first one, but beautiful fish. Can't argue with that. All right, GoPro, clip that. I don't know if I have that feature turned on. Doesn't look like it. All right, we're back on track now. That camera which is a Motorola Edge Plus 2023. Rolling. I'll get a actual camera at some point in my life. Right now, this whole Uber tuber is just kind of a whenever I get the time thing. If I can see to where it would actually benefit me somehow, I mean, I'll dump money into it at that point, but I'm not going to dump, you know, thousands of dollars into camera equipment now when in 6 months we might not even be doing this. You know what I mean? So if it ends up working out, then we'll get some better equipment. But for now, GoPro Hero 12 and a Motorola Edge Plus are all I need. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Oh, where's my net? In the net. Let's go. Oh, this guy was eating. Is he legal? Because he swallowed that hook. And I don't like releasing him. Oh yeah. Just a rough measurement here, but well legal. So we'll do a catch and cook after all, I guess. Come here, come here, come here. All right. So this one swallowed the hook, and it is within eating limits. Oh, his fin's all messed up. I've never seen that before. So perfect eating size in my opinion. So we're actually going to keep this one. I just got to dig my stringer out of my bag, and we'll get that set up, and we'll cook this one tonight for you guys. All right, back rolling. I got that fish on a stringer up there. Keep it fresh. When we go to leave here, we'll take care of it. Yeah, I got my fillet. We'll take care of it, and when we get home, we'll cook it for you guys. So that's something to look forward to. That one there, I honestly didn't even feel the fish biting. I thought I felt a little pull, so I pulled my rod tip up like this. Saw that line flick, set it, and got him. But I mean, unfortunately, I mean, that hook's kind of deep down in his belly. It's a female. It's her belly. Sorry, I mean, I don't want to assume the fish's gender. So yeah, I think we're gonna try to get one more out of this spot, and then go get the fly rod, I think is what we'll do. And we'll probably come right back to here with the fly rod, just so that I can get experience away from the trees. And then we're gonna go downstream with it, because like I said, there are so many brook trout down there. This here that I'm using is a Split Decision South Bend. What does it say? IM6. I got this from Walmart. It was on clearance for like 15 bucks one day. It's just a little, oh, I'd say 5 foot. I'll probably tell us here. Yeah, 5'6" ultralight. I love this rod. I mean, the reel, this is the factory reel too. I mean, and it's a decent reel. I've been using it for 3 years now, and I've very minimal problems with it. Occasionally, I don't know if you guys watched the last video, but there at the end I had a bunch of line fly off the spool on me. Occasionally I'll have that happen with me with this reel, but I mean, we can deal with that. That ain't nothing but a thing, you know. I don't know if I said earlier or not, I had the GoPro mount. It's like the strap that goes around your head. I had that on, and I switched it out for the clip so that I can take it off. I can spin it around so you guys can see me. I don't particularly care for this. It pushes the brim of my hat down too much, which shoves my sunglasses, like pile drives them into my nose. So my nose hurts. But it's all minor stuff. The struggles of being a successful YouTuber. We'll give it about 20 more minutes here before we go get the fly rod. We'll see what we come up with. All right, just had a bite, had a fish take the worm off, so perfect time to go get the fly rod. All right, so I just went and got the fly rod out of my car. Again, Walmart special. This is a, come on, focus. It's not gonna focus. You can't see it, but it's a Martin Legacy fly kit. It's not going to focus. 8 foot, 5/6 weight. Oh, there it goes. There it was. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. So we're going to get that set up and then try that out. Stay tuned. I'm getting eaten alive by flies. So does that mean I should have really good luck using a fly? We'll find out. This is my very first time ever using a fly rod. So to the people that will watch this, do not rip me apart. I've never done this before. But I think you're supposed to have a bunch of this, and then something like that. Maybe not. They say to hold it here. 10 and 2. Throw it out there. I can see the fly. Now what do I do? Do I just do all over again what I just did? Ugh. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm using the right kind of fly. I don't know what kind of fly it is that I'm using. Is it supposed to hit the water or not? That was bad. One time I want there to be somebody fishing where I'm fishing. There's not gonna be. But it'd be sweet if, like, Pennsylvania's best fly fisherman just popped in right now. And he's like, "What are you using there?" And I'll be like, "I have no idea." Not a clue. But it's the experience. You know. Learn something. Little sweat bee thingy. I think the video I watched said you're supposed to hold it like this. So we'll hold it like that. And we'll get this up a good bit. That was a pretty delicate presentation there. What, you just rip it out and then drop it again? Is that how you do it? Hey, we might have figured something out, guys. I don't know the first thing about what I'm doing, but I think we're doing it all right. The nice thing about doing it in this spot right here is I know that there's fish here. So if it's gonna work, I guess this is one spot to guarantee it. Was that good, Dad? Honestly, if I can just catch one fish off this, we can put it away. Yeah, that's not what you're supposed to do. I can almost guarantee that. I think there's like a tangle in that leader or something. Yeah. What the world is happening here? What did I do? Oh, that one's dead. Sorry, bud. Well, this is just a disaster. Holy moly. Alright guys, the battery life is slowly fading, or quickly fading, not slowly. Dies in half a second on the GoPro, so we're just going to keep attempting to make it look like we know kind of half what we're doing with the fly, even though we know 0% what we're doing with the fly. Probably gonna give it like another 20 minutes tops, and then go back to the wax worms, hop in the car, go to a different spot, charge the camera on the way, catch some more fish. I think editing this video is going to be an absolute nightmare. I think I'm doing pretty good with the general idea of what I'm doing. I just don't know what I'm doing. These fish are probably thinking, man, I've never seen a fly move like the way that fly is. What is wrong with it? Take it to the doctor now. That's probably what they're thinking. Yeah. I think we're done with the fly rod. I just got it all tangled up again. I don't know what I'm doing. This is new to me. We need to watch more YouTube. Alright guys, we'll get you clipped on up there. This is the other spot. Again, doesn't look like much, but it surprised me the last couple times I was out. So we'll give it a shot here. The batteries on the camera are just about dead. So we're gonna fish until it dies and then call it a day. So right now I'm stagged, so I'm gonna deal with that, check the clip here to make sure we got a good angle, and we'll close her out from here, guys. So to give you a recap on the fly fishing adventure, I don't know how much of that made it on camera or how much of it will even make it to the video. It did not go well. I don't know enough about what I'm doing with the thing to even make it look like I know what I'm doing. I'll be 100% honest with that. So I kind of packed it up. I moved on. That part I believe I did say. So I'll keep messing with it. You know, I'll keep throwing it around every so often, because it is something that I would like to get better at using. Like this spot right here, I feel like it would do phenomenal. But I don't know what I'm doing with it. So we'll leave that to the professionals, and I'll stick with my spinning rod for now, I guess. We'll cast this around, let it float in the bank, pull it in a couple times. See if we can hook into something here, and if not, we'll go down and maybe we just don't catch anything the rest of the day. If that's how it's got to be, then that's how it'll be. Oh, there's a fish on that. Get you some line, but I'm not going to reach it. Alright guys, we did catch another one. Hope you can see this. Nice little fish. Perfect. We didn't catch 0 more fish, so that's good. Wee little porcupine lad. You never know what you'll find out here. Alright guys, we just pulled back into the house. We got the fish. We got the fish that we're gonna cook up today. Come here. Come here. This is Silo. He's our pup. He's a good boy sometimes. All right, get out of here. We're also gonna do, I think, wild sausages, Italian sausages tonight, campfire style. So yeah, you take care of him, take care of the fish. Stick around. We got some good eats coming. All right, so here we have the fish. We're gonna cook him up. Normally, I'd throw an onion in it, but I don't have an onion. I overshot that. So we have butter. We do a lot of butter. We wrap it up in foil with some pepper. I'm gonna put garlic in this and then hose it down with lemon juice. So it's gonna be yummy. All right, fish is cooking. We also got some hot dogs and bratwurst with the family, and we're gonna cook out on the campfire. All right, well, we're gonna wrap up the video for today. We had a ton of fun. That fish was super delicious. It was almost as good tasting as it was fun catching. So that's always a wonderful thing. But we went out, we had a good time today. We caught some fish. We saw the porcupine. So we got a little campfire going. I'm gonna hang out with the wife and the kids, enjoy the rest of our night, and put an end to this already wonderful, fantastic, perfect day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment on it. I am actually going to have you guys do me a favor. I almost forgot to mention this. In all three of my videos, I filmed a different way. The first one was I had put my phone on this tripod and just kind of left it alone. The second one, I had the chest mount on for the majority of the video, and then today everything was done from the head, the hat. So in the comment, please leave down below what your favorite one was, what you guys think looked best. I know what I think looks best, but let me know what you guys think. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. See you on the next one. All right, got both.